What's going on, Fast Life family? It's your boy Fast Life Prince. I'm back here again with another YouTube video. In this video, we actually heading out to BMW car meet. Well, kind of like a shop meet because it's gonna be at a shop. Bro, I never said hello, machine.
I have found several destinations. Which one should I select?
None of them.
Which one should I select?
Alright. Before I got rudely interrupted by the machine. Man, still showing this stuff. We're gonna be going out to a little BMW car meet, and I don't know if I should wash my car because you see how Florida is, bro. Like, the machine is still mad dirty. I don't know if I should wash it because it might just rain, so it'll be a waste of a wash. But I'll just spray it down. Wait, never mind. I guess I will. Damn Eurus! Oh my god! Yo! Anyway, so yeah, I'm about to go spray my car down real quick, you know what I'm saying? Wash it down a little bit. Not no full on wash, but just a little quick wash because I'm pretty sure it's gonna keep raining, stuff like that. So we'll do that, then I'm gonna head over to the meet and we're gonna see what's going on. I think that boy Vaughn gonna pull up there too. So with the dyno, I was gonna do the dyno, like put my car in a dyno, but it's a rear-wheel drive dyno, so I wouldn't be able to do that. So yeah, damn, because I wanted to put the car on dyno and see what it made before like I get the tune locked in and all that stuff. And then I don't think I'm gonna do a dyno tune. I don't know. We'll see what I do, man, because I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I'm just doing remote tune, and then I'll probably put my car in a dyno after, but we'll see. So right now I'm on my way to the meet right now, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I get there. All right. Bust one, move! Oh my god. Just made it over here. Everyone over there. Machine right here. Yeah, I barely washed it, so don't even look at that. But let me show you guys. If you guys remember this, make sure you guys go watch the video where I did a video on this car right here. My boy Scum M3. This G80, 954 all-wheel horsepower. Make sure you guys go watch that video where I did a where I did a review on it. Man, this thing was crazy. I was literally scared of this thing. Yeah. That video was doing pretty good. I think it's at like 80K or something. So go watch it. I was terrified. But let's see what we got over here. Damn, I just realized my back tires are small. And go get the merch too. Alright. So let's see what's about to happen. They got a Z06 bar going. What they got over here? They got an E63S. Yo. Machine. Damn. And they got a Supra. Supra just went on a dyno, but I missed that. They got an X3M comp. Got another X3M, another X3M. Got an M4. Man, look at this. Look at my shit. Oh my god. Yo, that's nice. On HREs. I like how this is set up. This is set up nice. Yeah, I like how this one's set up. That my boy. Got my dog, Secure F82. A nice Super right there. I also drove this one, so make sure you guys go watch the video on that. Video is up on that too. Boy with the tire on the back. What? Damn. That thing look crazy. I was thinking about getting this front bumper, but I don't know. It look good though. It look crazy, bro. This one all-wheel drive? I don't know, this one's fast. Like, you just look at the tires on it. He took the all-wheel drive badge off. He took everything off. Yeah, that's Super right there, nice. Yeah, that's nice. You got some other stuff. seen that one before at we saw the Supercar. Oh my god! Saw that one at Supercar Saturdays. Damn, that shit's hard. Bro, that's hard. I like that color. That's nice. Oh, fast off family. I didn't even see this. This is nice. I like this. Yo, this man is low. That man is low. God. No, look at the rear wheels though. Yeah, this is goals right here. I want this. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Is it twin turbo? Oh, I think that's just an exhaust. Oh no, that's just an exhaust. Yeah. I thought it was twin turbo for a second. Nah, but this thing is nice, so I like this. The wheels are probably like 10,000, 10K. That's probably another 5K. It's 5K. Exhaust is probably 5K. Whole car is probably 300K. I don't know. The McDonald's is probably 2K.
What is?
I was talking about the McDonald's bag. Yeah. So let's see what they got on Dyno. What they got going on Dyno right now. So how much horsepower you guys think it's gonna make? I'm thinking probably like 800. So we about to go for another drive. The D80.
Kirkland buckets, carbon bucket, and that shit was tight as fuck, close as hell.
All right, Fast Side family. You just gotta see what's going on.
See though. Fucking see that. Kodak black.
I don't know.
You be greasing the hose, bro.
I don't know what I'm gonna hold on to.
This where you be greasing the hose?
Yeah, just last night.
Bro, I know you was sitting that shit in the
Bro,
group
what?
chat, like, bro. I hope I'm not sitting on.
Bro, I had her head right here, ass is right here.
I hope I'm not sitting on.
This man's funny. Oh what? Alright. Yo. This nigga's crazy.
Yo, fuck.
Oh my god. I want to make my car this fast.
What? The Rickies, they're hooking a little bit.
These are fucking NTs.
NTs?
Yeah, 555s, and they're bald in the back.
They're hooking pretty nice though. That's that extra.
Yeah, that's sex drive though. That's not the tire.
Hold on. Oh my! Bust it! Yo! Hey, I missed this. I missed this. Oh my god.
These brakes are insane. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, you need these brakes, definitely.
Big boy 6 distance in the front. Yeah, they got big boys in the back.
Yo, you definitely need these brakes. Yo, that thing is amazing. What you thought? What you thought?
I thought I was about to die. That was crazy.
She was terrified.
I didn't know cars could go that fast.
Yeah, that's why I want that car so bad.
Damn, I felt like I was on a roller coaster for a second.
Hopefully I can switch cars with him one day. Probably not.
My stomach hurt. That's how bad it got me.
Yeah, you'll feel it in your stomach. Fast Life family, let me know, man. That thing was crazy. I realized I shouldn't have let you feel how fast that car was
Why?
until my car was done. Cause now
You're gonna get your car that fast?
it's not gonna be that fast, but
Oh.
it's gonna be quick. That was insane. So family, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna get tuned soon too. And hit that subscribe button and that like button so I can get a G80 and make it that fast, because I really want one. That car is amazing. It's all-wheel drive and he was spinning. Make sure you guys go watch that video where I did a full review on it. Make sure you guys go get the merch. It's out now. See what the machine. Yeah. Super going back up on the dyno right now. About to see what it makes. Three X3M competitions back to back. 3 of them. Alright, Fast Life family, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like that, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. What you thought of the car? She was terrified. She was holding on to me so tight.
Bro, I had my knees up like this. Like,
I shouldn't have made her go in there until I got my car tuned in and I get her reaction, but it's whatever. I hope she'll forget about how fast it was, and then we'll see.
there's no way I'm forgetting that.
That car is crazy. So make sure you guys go watch that video if you haven't, because that video is at like 80,000 or something like that. So you guys will see it. Just type in, well, you'll see it on my channel. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere up there. But that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys get the merch so I can get more mods done to the machine. And yeah, it's your boy Fast Life Prince. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right. That's nice. Should I do a launch right here? Huh?
With my foot in my hand?
Okay, never mind. Not a launch, but just. It's only because she had food in her hand, that's why.
No, hold on.
So I could floor it.
Yeah.
Too late now.